Okay, this is the speaking test of Kunjan C. Gharania. Let's start. May I know your full name, please?
Full name is Kunjan Chandrakant Gharania.
Okay, and what should I call you?
You can call me Kunjan.
Okay, so Kunjan, where do you come from?
I come from Valsad, which is in the southern part of my state.
Okay, so do you work or do you study?
I work under my father. He is a football manager in my city, and I work under him as an assistant football manager.
Okay, so do you miss being a student?
Yeah, I miss being a student. Moreover, I miss my school and I miss my school friends, my teachers, my professors. I miss my whole school a lot.
Okay, so do you like what you're doing right now?
Yeah, I love what I'm doing right now. As I said, that I'm an assistant football manager with my dad. So I love working under him, and I would love to go beyond this path.
Okay, so let's jump on your accommodation. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment.
Okay, so can you please describe it a little bit?
Yeah, I live in a 5 multi-story building. It is on the central part of the city. It has many amenities surrounded by it. On the northern part, I have a huge football field, and beside it, I also have a volleyball court and a basketball court. And on the southern part of my building, I have a huge forest, and that's what all is surrounded by me.
Okay, so who do you live with?
I live with my parents. I have a small family, with my mother and my father.
Okay, so which room does your family spend most of the time?
Most of the time I spend in my living room. I watch television, and we have dinner in our living room. As we watch different TV shows and web series with my family during dinner time or during lunch time. So most of the time we are in the living room.
Okay, so what is the decoration like in your bedroom?
My bedroom has been covered by 3 different colors: orange, peach, and blue. Blue is my favorite color, so I have decorated it with many frames, and the peach color wall has been decorated by all the trophies and medals which I won during my school and college career.
Okay, so are you planning to move in the future?
Yeah, I'm surely planning to move in the future. I would love to move to Canada, and I would love to make my career over there.
Okay, so lastly, do you like your present stage of life?
Yeah, I'm loving the present stage of my life. As I told that I work with my father, and also I'm working hard for Canada, and I would love to spend rest of my life over there with my family.
Okay, so with this we complete your introduction. Okay, Kunjan, so we'll do the cue card. Your cue card for today is describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. Okay, you will say what it was, why you took the risk, what the result was, and lastly how you felt about it. You will get 1 minute of preparation time for this cue card. Okay, time's up. You can begin your cue card now.
I'm very fond of football, and I usually go abroad for my football matches in other states, and also I went to a foreign country for my football match. So I would like to talk about a tournament which was held in Himachal Pradesh, and I went there in these early summers. So we had a football match there during the night time. The whole tournament was excellent, and in the semi-finals, somehow I broke my ankle. It was very painful, and I was so nervous that I won't be able to play in the finals. So the next day we had the finals, and the coach told me about whom should he replace in my place. So I suggest one of my friend who was just a beginner. He didn't have much experience, so he told me that it would be a risk to play in your team. So I told that let's just give it a try in the finals, and we all were so nervous about the finals. So the finals started around 3 p.m. and somehow the match got draw, and we got extra 5 minutes in the match, and I was so nervous and I was so tense about the match, and I told my coach to inculcate him in the team. So my coach sent him in the match, and somehow he scored a goal. It was a beautiful goal scored by him, and we all were so proud. And it was a complete risk. He was just a beginner, and he didn't even have experience of playing against such a strong team, or playing against such opponents who are very good in physique. So it was a complete risk taken, and somehow it turned out to a very positive result. I was so happy, and all our teammates were so proud of me and of the person who got replaced by me. And this was the whole incident which I felt that it was a good decision that I insisted to the coach to replace him instead of me.
Okay, Kunjan, so you had a good speech of 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Now we'll jump on your follow-up questions which are related to your cue card. Okay, so why do some people enjoy extreme sports?
People are more into sports these days as compared to past. They love different types of sports, and sports can be very ethic in different ways. They, they can be very useful for our physical fitness too.
Okay, so do you think it is good for a leader to take risk?
Yeah, a leader is the one who should carry the team or who should carry his co-followers, and he should surely take risk so as he can just give belief to his followers.
Okay, so do you think men and women will make a different choice about taking risk?
I don't think so. In today's world, men and women will take different kinds of risk. There's no more difference between men and women these days, so I don't think men and women both would hesitate for taking a risk.
What about the young and the old?
Yeah, I would surely like to tell you that youngsters would like to take more risk as compared to the elder ones. Youngers are mostly sporty these days, so they like to take risk, and elders are they are mostly silent and they love peaceful nature. So I don't think they would love to take risks.
Do you think it is worthy taking risks in dangerous situations?
One should play with his mind, and he should use his experiences, and also he should take advices from experts and his belongings, or to someone who him or she admires the most. It would be the perfect.
Okay, so with this we complete your speaking test today, Kunjan.